Okay, last time we have learned how to use the method of substitution to solve the simultaneous equation. We know that the main concept is that we want to make the two unknowns become one unknown. This is our main concept. We have two methods to do this. For last time, we know the method of substitution, right? And today we are going to learn the another method, that is the method of elimination. Okay? So before I talk about how to use the method, I'm going to teach you some basic knowledge. First, for example, if I have two numbers, the first one is or two equations, you may say x is equal to 7. Another one is y is equal to 3. Okay. Again, you can give the name equation 1, equation 2. Okay. So for first, I want to ask you, if x is equal to 7, if y is equal to 3, then what is the value of x plus y? You may say, oh, easy, right? It's equal to 7 plus 3, right? It's just equal to 10, right? In fact, you are doing addition, right? Just add them together. So you may think about it's just like equation 1 add equation 2, right? For the equation 1, the left hand side is x, so I put it x here, and then we add, so add. For equation 2, is left hand side is y, so I add the y. So just like x plus y is these two, add them together, right? For the right hand side, for x is equal to 7, so we know that it's 7. This time is s, so we add. And then for the equation 2, the right hand side is 3, so it's 3, right? So we are just add the right hand side together, become 7 plus 3, so it's 10, right? So after you know that, oh, the equation, you can also add the left hand side and right hand side together. We can talk about the method of elimination. So first of all, I want to cross out this part. You may look back by using the video. And then I'm going to show you how to use the method by the exercise directly. That is page 41. Exercise 7. Question 2. Okay, question 2. So first of all, again, we should copy the question first. 3 minus 2 boy is 5. 3a plus 2b is 1. I'll give him a name, equation 1, equation 2. Okay. So first of all, for elimination, usually we use addition or subtraction. Sometimes we may use also this one. I will talk about in the later teaching example. But mainly we will use addition and subtraction. But what should we use? It will determine by the numbers of the coefficient of the variable. What does it mean? For example, this time we can see for the a here, this one is 3a for equation 1. For equation 2 is also 3a, right? They are totally the same, 3a and 3a, right? For the second one, that is for the b. For equation 1, it is negative 2b. For equation 2 is positive 2b, right? Negative 2b, positive 2b. They are similar, but do not totally the same, right? One is negative, but one is positive. So in these two kinds of unknowns, we have two ways to do it. For first one, if they are totally the same number, same positive sign, both are positive or both are negative, we may use minus to eliminate, right? 3a minus 3a, we know that is 0, right? Understand? Then for the one, for this one, the b, there is one is negative, one is positive, we can use addition, that is plus. Think about it, negative 2b plus positive 2b is equal to 0, right? Understand what I mean? So that means for this simultaneous equation, we have two ways to do it. For example, if I use the minus 1 minus 2. So that means, cross out this part first. That means for equation 1, this part is the left hand side, right? So I put it is 3a minus 2b. If I want to minus the second part, that means we have minus, right? The second part, the second equation is this one, right? Is 3a plus 2b, right? But don't forget the brackets here. They are very important, especially when you are using the minus. If you do not add the bracket, the positive sign, negative sign may be not correct. Then for left hand side, we have already done. For right hand side, we know that, oh, this one is equal to 5, right? And then this one is equal to 1. They are using minus, so minus, right? So it's 5 minus 1, right? Understand what I mean? Then we can remove the brackets. 3a minus 2 boy minus 3a minus 2 boy is equal to 4. So you can see this time, because 3a and negative 3a can be cancelled, right? So we have negative 2b minus negative 2b is negative 4b is equal to 4. And then we can calculate the answer is negative 1. Understand? And of course, we need to find the a just using the method of substitution that we learned before. Substitute the answer into any one of the equation you can choose. For example, 2, equation 2. So 3a plus 2b, b is negative 1, so 2 times negative 1 is 1. So 3a is 1 plus 2, 3, a is equal to 1. So therefore the solution is a is equal to 1 and b is equal to negative 1. Okay, so that is the method of elimination to solve the simultaneous equation. But just before we talk about that, we are not really can use the minus. In this equation, we can use plus, right? I'm going to show you another way to do this equation. Wait a moment, I just eliminate the circle. So last time we are using equation 1 plus equation 2, right? Sorry, we are using minus so that we can cancel this 2a, right? But for this time, when I want to eliminate the b, because the one is negative 2b, one is positive 2b, they are similar, but the positive sign and negative sign are different. So we can use plus in this time. So again, for equation 1, the left hand side is 3a minus 2b, bracket. And then this time we're using plus, so plus. Equation 2, the left hand side is 3a plus 2b. Understand? So, and then we know that this time we are using plus. That means it's equal to 5 plus 1. Right? 5 plus 1. So removing brackets, 3a minus 2b plus 3a plus 2b is equal to 6. You can see that, oh, this time the negative 2b and positive 2b will be cancelled. So we have 6a is equal to 6, a is equal to 1. So again, just the same method, substitute a is equal to 1 into, for example, equation 2. So 3 times a, that means 3 times 1 plus 2b is equal to 1. 2b is equal to negative 2. So b is equal to 1. You can see that the solution is just the same, right? Because it's the same question. So we can get the answer. Understand?